Asparagus, that long and elegant stem vegetable that adorns dishes around the world, has a fascinating history and an unmistakable flavor that makes it unique in the kitchen. Today, I invite you to discover everything about this ingredient, its ancient origins, its health benefits, and the best ways to enjoy it on your table. Plus, at the end, I'll tell you where you can taste delicious asparagus dishes and much more in a special corner of Madrid. Let's start at the beginning, the origin of asparagus. This vegetable, cherished for its flavor and texture, is no newcomer to our tables. In fact, asparagus has been cultivated and consumed by humanity for over 2,000 years. In ancient civilizations like Egypt and Greece, its culinary and medicinal value was already recognized. The Egyptians regarded it as a delicacy worthy of pharaohs, while the Greeks used it both in cooking and as natural remedies. Even the Romans, famous for their refined gastronomy, valued asparagus so highly that they transported it in special caravans to keep it fresh for their banquets. Asparagus belongs to the lily family, which is the same family as onions and garlic, and there are three main varieties: green, white, and purple. The green asparagus is the most common and is characterized by its intense and slightly bitter flavor. The white asparagus, which is grown underground to prevent photosynthesis, has a milder and more delicate taste. Lastly, the purple asparagus, which is less well known, stands out for its sweetness and vibrant color. Each variety has its own unique qualities, but they all share that special touch that makes them irresistible. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of asparagus. This vegetable is a true nutritional gem. It is low in calories, making it a perfect ally for those looking to manage their weight while still enjoying great flavor. But that's not all. Asparagus is an excellent source of fiber, which promotes digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. Additionally, it contains vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood clotting, as well as vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and acts as an antioxidant. Asparagus also provides folate, a vital vitamin during growth stages and pregnancy, and contains antioxidant compounds such as rutin and glutathione, which help combat cellular aging and protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, its high water content makes it a natural diuretic, ideal for eliminating toxins and preventing fluid retention. But asparagus is not only great for the body, it is also a delight for the palate. Its versatility in the kitchen is impressive. It can be prepared in countless ways: roasted, sautéed, steamed, grilled, or even raw in salads. Its flavor pairs perfectly with ingredients such as olive oil, lemon, garlic, nuts, and soft cheeses. You can add them to omelets, risottos, pasta dishes, or simply enjoy them as a side dish with meats, fish, or vegetarian plates. A classic dish is asparagus cream, smooth and comforting, perfect for chilly days. You can also try them wrapped in ham and baked until golden, a truly irresistible combination. If you're looking for something lighter, a salad of fresh asparagus, cherry tomatoes, and toasted almonds offers a refreshing and nutritious option. Asparagus is an ingredient that invites creativity, allowing you to experiment and discover new combinations of flavors and textures. In vegan and gluten-free cooking, asparagus is especially valued for its ability to provide flavor and nutrients without hassle. They are perfect for those seeking healthy options tailored to different dietary needs. Furthermore, because they are so easy to prepare, they are ideal for both experienced cooks and those just starting out in the culinary world. And if, after hearing all this, you're already thinking about trying a delicious dish with asparagus, I have a special invitation for you. In the heart of Madrid, at Calle Campomanes 5, you'll find Cantina 33, a restaurant that fuses the best of Venezuelan cuisine with fresh quality ingredients, including asparagus. At Cantina 33, every dish is designed to surprise and delight every palate, offering options for those seeking traditional flavors, vegan proposals, or gluten-free alternatives. The atmosphere at Cantina 33 is warm and welcoming, perfect for enjoying a meal with family, friends, or a special someone. The kitchen team pays special attention to every detail, from ingredient selection to plate presentation. Here, you can savor original creations where asparagus takes center stage, accompanied by other fresh products and recipes inspired by the rich culinary traditions of Venezuela. Additionally, the menu features a wide variety of options for all tastes, ensuring that every visitor finds their favorite dish. If you're a lover of good food and enjoy discovering places with personality, Cantina 33 is a must-visit in Madrid. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a special dinner, or simply want to have a great time in a pleasant setting, you'll find exactly what you need here. The team at Cantina 33 will be delighted to welcome you and make your experience memorable, paying attention to every detail so you can enjoy a truly unique evening. So the next time you crave something different, healthy, and delicious, remember asparagus and all that it can bring to your diet. And if you want to take that experience to the next level, Don't hesitate to visit Cantina 33 at Calle Campomanes 5. Let yourself be surprised by the flavors, the hospitality, and the care with which each dish is prepared. We're waiting with open arms to share the best of our cuisine and make every visit special. Don't think twice. Come and discover why asparagus is so much more than just a simple vegetable. At Cantina 33, the passion for gastronomy is present in every bite. We can't wait to see you soon.